everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Thompson Farm and I'm gonna bring you guys around. If you are ready, let's go! Right now we are inside the farm and we're at the first stop, which is the flower field. As you can see around me, there's so many flowers and there's also many artwork. I'm gonna bring you guys around. Behind me, it's like a mirror and it's a very famous art piece that you have to come and take photos with. So if you come and take photos like over here in the middle, captured from a very far background, I think it's gonna be very beautiful. I think I like the pink ones the most. Look at this. Oops. Wow. It's very windy here. Right now we are at the Rice is Life exhibition and over here behind me you could come and try to taste the rice and there are so many types of it. Let's see. So these are all the rice flavor profiles and there are so many of it. Over here we have the area where they cooked the rice for real. Here is the rice tea. Wow. Over there is the rice castle, but I don't know how they built it though. And over here is the rice field. At the rice exhibition, you could also buy kauji. There are many flavors you could choose from. There are also the black sticky rice. Only 10 baht each. Right now we're at หมู่บ้านอีสาน or the northeastern neighborhood. So let's go look around. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. I think this is like a Thai snack and she's making it. How was it?
That's nice.
If you want to know, is it delicious? You need to ask my dad. Yum, 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 yum. Right now we're at the American Isan village. So this area tells the history of how America and Isan culture in Thailand is connected. And behind me you're gonna see a very huge American flag. So over here you can come and try the American food with the Isan culture. Mixing the American and Isan culture, you could come to try the pizza with the larb gai flavor. So my dad is gonna introduce this machine. What is it?
It's kind of song machine that actually you can select that and press the numbers and also the alphabet together and it seems like American culture. Yeah.
My mom says this is how they got married in the past. So this is the culture like when you married a foreigner in Isan.
And other things you know I had to do.
Lastly, we are at the souvenir shop. So you can come and look which souvenir do you want to buy back home. There are so many of them. There are also so many snacks. You could also come and try first, okay? This is my mom. Matching outfits.